Welcome to Sigo's This and That. If you're a true crime enthusiast and new to our channel, I'm Sigo, your host. Join our beautiful family by subscribing to our channel to stay updated on the latest court updates and justice news. In today's Senzo Meyiwa murder trial update at the High Court in Pretoria, we're expecting a new witness to take the stand. However, due to ongoing cross-examination of Mr. Michael Dupreez, the current witness had to step down temporarily. One of the state's key witnesses, Sergeant Batho Mogola, who played a crucial role in the investigation of the former soccer star's suspected murder, was unfortunately unavailable today. Mogola was responsible for assisting the police in tracking down accused number 1, Muzi Sibiya, in May 2020. For those interested in the trial within a trial, it focuses on determining the admissibility of alleged confessions made by Sibiya and accused number 2, Bongani Ntanzi. Both Sibiya and Ntanzi confessed to the details of Senzo Meyiwa's murder, with Sibiya even pointing out specific aspects of the crime scene. However, the defense counsel, Tulani Mngomezulu, disputes the validity of these confessions, alleging that his clients were subjected to severe torture, leading them to make the alleged statements. Please make sure to like, share, and comment on this video to fuel the discussion and show your support for justice. Stay tuned for more court updates as we witness what transpires in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. Please continue to watch, and comment below.
Yes, Mr. Baloyi.
Yes, my lord. We ask that the cross-examination by Advocate Muzi of this witness should stand down until today. So it's his turn to continue with the cross-examination.
Yeah, but what happened yesterday? Because yesterday, you remember when we adjourned, there was a request by the defense that they want to approach Mr. Dupreez.
Yes.
In connection with whatever queries they may have had concerning the AVL system.
Yes.
So
Yes, my lord, we did have a meeting and we have conveyed, along with the defense, to Mr. Dupreez what would like him to canvass. And it entails, my lord, for him to simulate or recreate the path that the Toyota Fortuner that was conveying accused number 2 on the 19th followed.
19th June, right?
Yes, 19th June.
And which other date?
And we gave him all the dates from the 1st, the 5th, the...
Wait, 1st, 6.
Yes, the 1st, the 5th,
6.
the 20th, yes, the 22nd, 24th, 25th.
Wait. The 1st, the 2nd.
The 5th.
Okay, yeah, the 5th, right?
The 22nd.
The 22nd.
24th.
The 24th.
25th.
25th.
Yes.
This is all June.
And 31 May as well, I'm sorry.
And 31.
Yes, 31 May.
Is that all the councils agreed to?
Yes.
That.
Sorry? Which other dates?
As the court places, my lord, the dates are the 31st of May, the 1st of June.
Wait. Because Mr. Baloyi didn't mention the 31st of May.
Yes.
Is it the 31st of May also?
Yes.
Yes, indeed, my lord.
Wait. 31st May.
Yes.
Right? Sorry. Yeah.
And then I think we skipped the 18th.
And then the 1st, the 2nd, the 5th,
the 5th.
the 22nd, the 24th, the 25th.
He skipped the 18th of May, my lord, as well.
The 18th of May also.
Yes.
Hello?
18 and 19, my lord.
Yes, 18,
18th
19.
May,
19.
19th May.
June, my lord.
So the 31st of May, my lord, and the rest are June.
Wait. The 18th of June.
Yes, the 18th and the 19th. That's the complete system.
Yes, I think that will also incorporate the 20th of June.
And the 20th of June.
Yes. In other words, Basically, it's all the dates, my lord, that have been mentioned in
the evidence.
Court, yes.
Mr. Nisi, do you agree to that? Those dates?
That is the arrangement.
Mr.
I
Mano?
confirm, my lord, that is the arrangement.
Ms. Mshololo?
I confirm, my lord.
Now, what is the arrangement? I'm saying this and I'm asking this because this trial is an adversarial trial,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And this witness was specifically called, that is Mr. Dupreez, was specifically called by the state, although he is an expert
Yes.
who can assist the court. I want to know what is the status of the report he's going to prepare, so that we mustn't have problems later on about A, B, C, D, E, F, G, interpretation of this. What did you agree regarding the status of that report?
It was actually raised by one of the counsel, my lord,
Yeah.
that perhaps they should have a peek of that report before it's presented
Now, you see.
here in court. So we made a proposal that maybe we can get together and
What is the status of that report?
Yes.
Prepared by a witness who's
Yes.
still under cross-examination, approached by the defense and the state to prepare a report. What is the status of that report, having regard to the fact that this is an adversarial
yes.
system we are dealing with? It's not a civil trial.
Yes. That will leave us with two options. Once the defense has had the opportunity to view that report, either we do, the report is submitted via Section 220 or as an addendum to the current report that is before court.
So you didn't agree on the status of the report?
Yes. Well, up until they've seen it, my lord, I think they
No, you don't have to see it first.
Yes.
Because you've approached an expert jointly
Yes.
to say you must prepare a report. Now the question is, will you be cross-examined on that report?
Yes. Well,
Or will that report, as you suggest, be just accepted as a report which is sanctioned by the two parties before this court?
yes.
Sorry?
Yes, that was the proposal, but there was a counter proposal that they'd want to have a look at it first, my lord.
Mr. Mgomezulu, you've heard the queries I'm raising.
My lord, I'll submit that one may not lose sight of the fact that this witness comes from the state side.
Yes, yes.
The defense will definitely, not that because we are engaging into a discussion regarding the status of the report, but it will be difficult for the defense to admit the report prior to its seeing or having
I hear you.
sight over it. So, my lord, I would still maintain that the witness is still the witness of the state, not of both parties. So I would just request the court to keep the status of that witness as
I can't change that status. I can't.
My lord, it will always be the witness of the state.
Yes,
because
yes. It's called by the state.
yes, should there anything we are not satisfied with from that report, we will definitely have to cross-examine the witness.
Mr. Mnisi,
As it please the court, my lord, I think the approach by the state that we can either deal with the report in terms of Section 220, alternatively as an addendum to the report that are already before court. I think it's a noble one, my lord. However, that should not really preclude any party, either the state or even the defense, from asking questions to clarify certain things from the report that will be treated as an addendum, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
Mr. Malo.
My lord, my submission is that the witness is still the witness of the state. He's going to come back and testify on what he has investigated, and then the defense is going to have a chance to cross-examine the witness if there are issues arising. Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Tololo.
Thank you, my lord. My lord, my submission is that until we are in receipt of the report that is going to be compiled by the
No, it
witness.
doesn't work that way. You can't say until you are in the seat and satisfied of the report, then you decide what to do with the report.
As the court is
It doesn't work that way. This witness has been approached by you jointly. He has prepared a report. And I want to know what is the status of that report. I don't have a problem with Mr. Mgomezulu saying that he's got a right to cross-examine Mr. Mnisi and Mr. Ngomalo, which is correct. You have a right to cross-examine.
Yes.
But I'm concerned about the status of that report.
The status of the report, my lord. The report is still the report submitted by the state, which the defense will be entitled to put cross-examination if there are any, my lord.
Fine.
Yes.
I don't have a problem with that. It still complies with the adversarial system. But the point is, when he comes back, Mr. Dupreez, to testify, he presents the report as an expert. Then you've got the right to cross-examine him.
Yes,
but you can't say until we have insight into the report, therefore we'll do a... Are you with me?
Yes, my lord.
He comes with the report. It's a report which he has drafted after being asked questions. There's nothing asking questions about the mechanism, how it operates, etc., the coordinates, etc. And then he prepares a report on the queries which we have raised, all of you.
Yes,
then he presents that report.
Yes.
Then you've got the right to cross-examine him. Yes. But you don't see the report first, like you want to do. And thereafter you say, I don't agree with this. He presents it as it is. What is what you factum probanda? You
as
call
the
it.
court wishes, my lord, with due respect, I cannot make any admissions towards that report.
No, I don't want admissions
at this stage.
No,
yes,
you don't make any. This gentleman prepares a report.
Yes.
And then he presents it.
Yes.
And then you cross-examine him on whatever aspects.
Yes.
Mr. Are you with me, Mr.
That's correct, Minister.
That should be the position.
I agree, my lord. Thank you.
And you, sir? Okay, fine. So that is how we're going to proceed.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right, so who's the next witness? Cross-examination, you said?
Yes, and further on, we left the date open as to when he'll be coming back.
Yeah.
He let us know as soon as he's ready.
Fine.
And he'll then be recalled.
Okay, fine. Yes, Mr. Sergeant Khan, sorry, you're still on that.
Sergeant Khane,
Please, are you through with this? You never cross-examined him.
No, I haven't started.
The witness confirms.
You never did. You said you don't have questions, you remember? And then he was superseded by Dupreez. Then you had cross-examining. I'm not saying you can't cross-examine him now. You can do so if you want to.
I was just about to begin, my lord, when the state requested the indulgence to lead the
evidence
of Mr. Dupreez.
Yes. You're right, no problem. Yes.
My lord, but then there is subsequent to the discussion that we had with regard to what the status of that report should actually be. It had just come to my mind, my lord, that most probably, having had possession or seen the report of Mr. Dupreez that is going to be presented, there is that likelihood that there would be issues that I would love to take up with this witness on the basis of that report that is going to be prepared.
Yeah, fair. I hear you.
So I'm not even so sure, my lord, whether it will be fair for this witness for me to start to cross-examine him without having had sight of that report and decide whether or not there are issues that I would love to take him up on the basis of that report.
But this is after Dupreez has presented the report.
Yes.
Yeah, let's have that clear. Not that you see the report first.
Yeah, I'm not changing what we agreed upon. Yes, madam. So what I'm saying is...
no, fine, I take that point.
Yes. So what I'm saying is I'm not even so sure whether it is in the interest of justice that I should start my cross-examination with this witness when there's a likelihood that the content of that report would necessitate me cross-examining this witness.
Yeah, fine. No.
On that report.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm not so sure where does that then leave us, my lord. If
now we can adjourn the evidence of this witness also.
Yes, my lord.
Because it makes sense. He was the person who activated the AVLL system by driving the vehicle. Fine. Ms. Misholola?
As it please the court, my lord. Thank you.
My lord, it is the same position with myself, my lord, that I would like to do the cross-examination after.
Okay.
Mr. Dupreez.
Okay. Mr. Ngamalo?
My lord, I submit that it is more convenient that we need the evidence of Mr. Dupreez, and then from there we see the way forward.
Okay. Mr. Mgomezulu?
Same sentiment, my lord.
Right. The state?
Well, that's in order with us.
Right. You understand English, Sergeant? Even when it's time to speak freely with Mr. Mgomezulu yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah, I agree with the sentiments that it is proper for Mr. Dupreez to present the report. You have already testified about the exigency of driving the vehicle, its stopping where, the idling, etc., etc., etc. There could possibly be questions arising from the report which are not irreconcilable with your evidence. And the defense has got a right to clear that up with you, okay? So we need to adjourn your evidence. I don't know until when.
Le sa go bolang ke re gore mabane ba ile ba ye misha ka pele ga gore ba le botšhe dipotšišo wa bitswa setsebi se leng gore se tlile sa tlhatlholla raporoti e jwa tše setsebi sengwe ga se tšwe se fetše go na le dilo tše mmalwa tše e leng gore ba santše ba nyaka gore setsebi seuwe se tle se ba tlhalošetše ka sone ka moraga mouwe ba re ke gona motlhomong ba ka tlang ba tswela pele ba tlo ba le botšiše dipotšišo ka lebaka la gore go na le dilo tše dingwe tše e leng gore setsebi sela se ka tlase a di tlhatlholla se e leng gore dilo tša gona di be di le mo go yona report ya AVL tše e leng gore di nyaka gore motlhomong ba tle ba botšiše ka tšona ba tle ba khumane ba tle ba kgone gore lena ba kgonthišiše dilo tše dingwe tše di rileng ka yona report ye e leng gore e tla be setsebi sela e se tlhakišitše gabotse le a kwešiša ya le botlhatsi ba lena go ra gore bo sa tlo emišwa kgoro e re ga e tsebe gore go fitlhelela neng I will be waiting, my lord.
Okay, thanks.
Mr. Mnyisibeko uyena bekufanele ukuthi aqaleke abuze uSergeant Mukhane imibuzo kodwa ke ngenxa yokuthi ke kunalokho kwenzekileke izolo nkathi Mr. Dupreez ekhona ke elayinikeza ngobufakazi base beyahlanganyela ke umshushisi kanye nabameli ukuthi ke cha bayaqela ukuthi loyo mbiko Mr. Dupreez awenze kabusha manje ukuthi Mr. Mnyisike akaboni ukuthi ke noba kuzoba kwenziwa ke ubulungiswa uma engaqhubeka ke ngalofakazi kungekafiki ke lo yambiko lo yana ke ka Dupreez ngoba ke yena ke uSergeant Mukhane naye ke uyena umuntu wayeshayela le moto uDupreez azokwenza ngayo umbiko omusha kunalo obewulethe enkantolo ngaleso sizathu ke bayacela bayavumelana bonke ke abameli kanye nomshushisi kanye nomehlulo uyavuma ke naye ukuthi ke ufakazi lona ke akamiswe asazi ukuthi uzolinda kuze kube ninike.
Okay, so what do we do?
As a court, please, my lord, we did intimate at the previous occasion that the next witness that the state will be calling is Senzo Meyiwa.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, she's writing an exam a lot. My learned friends have got no objection if we stand the matter down until Monday to continue to commence with her evidence.
Okay. Is she alleged to have been amongst the persons who assaulted accused number 2?
No.
Or present?
No. She in fact, she wasn't.
She came with Ginanda.
Yeah. Well,
when Ginanda was sitting on the.
There's the name that was mentioned, but obviously.
Yeah, fine.
Her evidence will be different.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, so we postpone until Monday.
Yes.
Sorry to the reporters. You have an early day.
Jwale ka ga re tlhalositse le na botlhatsi ba lena botla ema sepedi se re moleta ngwedi ke moleta le swiswi ga re tsebe gore ba tlo le bitsaneng re ya leboga o tia le ga go yana ramolao palong.
Yeah, because of those unforeseen circumstances, then we adjourn until Monday morning. Okay, thank you.
Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join our family of justice lovers. Together, we can make a difference. Thank you for watching. Love to you all. Cheerio.